Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at a gorgeous little 1964 Ford Falcon Sprint. It does have the Sprint package. This is a factory 4-speed car, guys. Came out of Georgia, and it's an older body up restoration. It's been very well maintained, but they said the resto was done probably 15 years ago, but very nice. Really cool color on this thing. This is a late model Ford color. I believe it's called Cyber Orange, and man, this thing looks like $1 million coming down the road. I mean, it looks like it's flying. Trim's nice, good solid straight Georgia body. It's got the 14-inch Magnums with BF Goodrich Radial T all the way around it. Original 260 V8 car that now has a 289 engine underneath the hood, and the previous owner said it was built to HiPo specs. And I'll tell you what, I drove it. It pulls pretty good. It's got the stock 325 gear. But it pulls out pretty good. There's some blemishes in the paint you can kind of nitpick, but still very, very nice. Chrome and stainless is nice. They definitely replaced the bumpers. Again, really cool color. Dual chrome mirrors. A little bit of buzz. Got some bugs or something on it we must have missed. Sorry, guys. Again, bumpers are new. Nice and straight down the sides. Good looking car. I don't know what we missed. There's something all over the back of this, but just bugs or something. We'll get it off. Got the Magnum 500s with the spinners. Does have front disc brakes. Again, this would have been a factory 260 V8 car, and he said this is a 289 built to HiPo spec, so it should be 270 horse. It's got a hydraulic cam in it though, instead of the solid lift camshaft in it. Chrome air cleaner and valve covers, manual steering. Like again, it was a factory 4-speed, so that's the way it would have came. Front disc brakes, detailed up real nice underneath the hood. Your original VIN is still there on your apron. Does have a set of headers on it. A-pillar chrome's pretty darn nice. Again, dual chrome mirrors. Looks like they've replaced the door handles, new window fuzzies, new door rubbers. Door seams are clean. There's your original door tag. Bucket seats with center console too. It's got the factory T-handle shifter. Again, this was a factory 4-speed car. Looks like it's got front and rear seat belts. Seats are nice. Steering wheel looks pretty good. I know the horn works. Parking brake works, showing 28,000. I'm sure that's 128. He did not know the mileage on the resto. Aftermarket tach. They actually made a little sprint tach for up there. AM radio, it does function. I couldn't get a station. Original owner's manual's in the glove box. Again, it's got the stock T-handle shifter, and you can see the floor hump's correct for the 4-speed. Dual exhaust, factory rear axle with a 325 gear. It does have traction bars on it. Yeah, he replaced this. I've seen guys do this before. He had trouble with it leaking, so he just went with the inside fill neck. Jack with spares in here. Yeah, fun car to drive too, man. It's nice, fun to bang those gears on the 4-speed. Clean underneath. This is where I'm really reminding people, guys, if you're looking at a car on our website, make sure you're on southernmotors.com. I mean, we are just multiple emails, multiple phone calls a day with people getting scammed, taking our old ads. Easiest thing to do, pick up the phone, 248-620-3355. Fires right up. Like I say, hits the road good, shifts good. Detailed up real nice underneath the hood. Everything opens and closes nice. Yeah, somebody's gonna have a blast with that little car right there. Good look, good sound. Tach works up there. Temp gauge works. Fuel gauge works. Yeah, you go here. It's got power to the radio. Blower motor works. Parking brake works. I love these taillights. Yeah, somebody's gonna have a blast with that car. Again, radio comes on. I couldn't get a station. Blower motor does work. Wipers work. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. I love this body style. These cars are so fun, man. Look at that color. I mean, it just jumps off that car.